This is how we turn this bathroom to this bathroom. Hi, this is Ali VDA Home Design, and I want to go over the beautiful bathroom that we recently done it. This project done in Great Falls, Virginia, and I'm gonna go over it. Okay, this bathroom wasn't like this. This is right now the beautiful shower and tub area, bedroom area with no curb, and white right now is much nicer and beautiful than before because they had two small window here. We make it very big, longer window on the back of the tub. It was a like shower, but it was much narrower. We make this angle wall on the bathroom. We make it straight, and we made a very nice bedroom area for them. On this side, they didn't have any door to the closet. We had the door to the closet, and on this corner they had an angle closet that we removed it. We put the vanity, very nice vanity, with the inset cabinet, under talking lighting, and two sconces with mirror there. And same thing on the other side. It was exactly here was another closet in the angle, and we removed it, and we gave them very beautiful, nice vanity with the talk light and this stuff. As you see, the whole thing changed, but the customer has really good taste too. The colors are very nice and beautiful. They have a very beautiful his and her shower head here too. I really like it, and the small toilet that we put there, it's beautiful. I can show you. You go there, it has everything that you need. You can flush. The full controller is here, and it can open and close by itself. But the surprising part is this closet. Let's go and see how that one is.